My name is Isaiah Perez-Nicholson. I'm a junior double majoring in accounting and finance, and I'm from Arlington, Texas. I heard about the LSS program before coming here. I kept my eye out, and in January, that spring, I saw the applications become a tax intern. Tax is the route I'm going through with my accounting degree, so I decided to check that out, and since then, I really enjoyed my time here. You don't have to be in trouble to receive our help. We do many things under the sun. If you're having issues with your landlord, if you need a name change, if you need something notarized or anything like that, please come to us to receive that help. So for our tax workshops, they happen in the spring, typically between January through April, which is tax season. Through our workshops, our students are able to sign up. They are on a first come, first served basis. The tax workshops are held in Summerfield on the 4th floor in the computer lab. For our office, we are always trying to make sure our KU students are taken care of. We help in many ways, whether it be legal services as notaries, immigration, leasing issues, anything like that, or even just asking a simple question as can I do this well within my rights? Just knowing that we can give those students that assurance, that safety, that legal help is something that really fulfills me.